Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly fascinating and potentially life-changing. Imagine this: despite trying every money management technique and investment strategy out there, financial freedom still feels out of reach. The wealth you desire keeps slipping through your fingers no matter how hard you work or how diligently you save. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking abundance has been right under your nose this whole time? Or rather, in your purse or bag. That's right, the very items you carry with you every day could be the energetic culprits blocking your path to prosperity. Now, I know what you're thinking. How could my bag possibly affect my finances? Bear with me, because this concept is rooted in ancient wisdom and the principles of energy flow. Close your eyes and picture this. You're carrying around a purse or bag filled with energetic landmines, each one detonating and sabotaging your efforts to attract wealth and prosperity into your life. Sounds intense, right? But stick with me here. According to ancient wisdom and the laws of energy flow, every object we interact with carries its own unique vibration. When we choose to keep certain items in our personal space, we're essentially inviting those vibrations to intermingle with our own energy field. It's like hosting an energetic party, and some of the guests are total buzzkills for your financial ambitions. Let's start with your wallet, the literal place where you keep your money. It deserves VIP treatment. First, hold your wallet in your hands and observe it closely. Really look at the condition it's in. Are there any tears, fraying edges, bulging seams about to split, stains or dirt? This is important. Your wallet represents your relationship with money energetically. If you're carrying around a battered, dilapidated wallet, it sends a message that you don't value money or feel worthy of abundance. Ouch! No wonder cash doesn't stick around in your life for long. Ready for an upgrade? Let's shift this energy. Go out and splurge on a high-quality, luxurious wallet made of fine leather or exotic skins like ostrich or snakeskin. Choose rich colors like chocolate brown, deep red or forest green. This signals to the universe that you are ready to receive wealth and appreciate abundance. As you lovingly care for this exquisite wallet, maintain it neatly, organized, and in pristine condition. That respectful energy extends to money flowing effortlessly into your reality. Now, let's clean out your current wallet. Grab a sage stick and waft the smoke over and around your wallet to clear any stuck negative energy. Next, dump out the entire contents. Yes, everything. Sort through the pile and keep only what serves your highest good today. Toss any expired cards or documents, random business cards, and receipts more than a month old. Clearing the clutter alone can unblock financial energy. Feels good, doesn't it? New energy is now ready to flow into your wallet. Set empowering intentions by placing a citrine crystal, a bucky nut, or a tiny Ganesha statue inside. Bam! Your wallet is now a wealth magnet. Next, let's move beyond the wallet to audit the rest of your bag's contents. Our bags carry our personal landscapes. They represent our inner world externally. So, ask yourself, when you open your bag, what storyline does it tell about your relationship with money and abundance? Do you see keys, clutter, and crumbs accumulated in the corners? This reflects financial energy that is unorganized and scattered in your life. Or is your bag neatly compartmentalized with purposeful items easily accessible in their designated pockets and pouches? This demonstrates self-mastery over your money flow. Make your bag showcase the latter. Be intentional about what you choose to carry in this sacred space. Let go of items no longer serving your highest good. Remove things you've accumulated out of obligation that mean nothing to you personally. Only retain objects that are meaningful, beautiful, and bring you joy. Every item should now contribute positively to your abundance. Applying this Marie Kondo-style intentional curation shifts the very energy and consciousness held within your bag. Its contents now emit a refined frequency, one that calls money and prosperity straight to you. We've cleaned out the clutter, but you might be thinking, okay, so I'll just remove these items from my bag, and boom, instant wealth, right? Well, not quite. While clearing out those energy blocks is an important first step, true financial abundance requires a more holistic approach. It's not just about what you remove, but what you intentionally choose to include. That's where the concept of intentional curation comes into play. Just as you would mindfully decorate your home or workspace to create an environment that inspires and uplifts you, you can apply the same principles to the contents of your bag or purse. Consider the colors and materials you surround yourself with. Vibrant shades like red and gold are known to attract prosperity and wealth, while natural elements like jade and citrine carry their own auspicious vibrations. Opting for a bag in these colors or accessorizing with charms and symbols that resonate with abundance can subtly shift the energetic atmosphere around you. But it's not just about the physical appearance, it's also about organization and mindset. A cluttered, chaotic bag often reflects a cluttered, chaotic mind, which can make it challenging to manifest your financial goals. Invest in a quality organizer or use small pouches to keep different categories of items neatly separated and easily accessible. This simple act of ordering your space can promote mental clarity and a sense of control over your financial life. And let's not forget the power of intention. As you curate the contents of your bag, do so with the explicit purpose of welcoming abundance into your life. Place items that represent your financial goals or aspirations, a small notebook to jot down your visions, a planner to track your budget and investments. These tangible reminders will keep you aligned with your financial targets and serve as a constant catalyst for manifestation. By actively choosing what you carry and infusing each item with positive intention, you transform your everyday bag into a powerful talisman, a sacred vessel that attracts and amplifies the energy of prosperity. But why stop there? Once you've curated your bag with intentional items and symbolism, you can take it a step further by actively amplifying the energetic vibrations within your personal space. It's time to explore the world of energetic amplifiers, tools and techniques that can supercharge your manifestation efforts. One powerful amplifier is the art of affirmations. Before you step out of the house each day, take a moment to hold your bag close and speak your financial intentions into existence. Declare affirmations like, "I am open to financial abundance," or "Today, I attract opportunities that increase my prosperity." This simple practice not only sets a positive tone for your day, but also charges your personal items with the vibration of your spoken words. Another amplifier, cleansing rituals. Just as you would energetically cleanse your home or workspace, apply the same principle to your bag. Every week, take a few moments to empty it out, shake off any lingering dust or debris, and envision any negativity flowing out. You can even use traditional cleansing tools like sage, Palo Santo, or sunlight to refresh the energy and make space for new opportunities to come your way. When it comes to amplifying abundance, don't underestimate the power of the senses. Aromatherapy, for instance, can be a potent ally. Carry a small sachet of herbs like basil or mint, or add a few drops of essential oils like bergamot or patchouli to a piece of cloth within your bag. These scents are renowned for their ability to attract wealth and prosperity, creating an olfactory atmosphere that resonates with your financial goals. Sound is another sense that can enhance your manifestation efforts. Every time you open your wallet or bag, make it a practice to mentally affirm your wealth and abundance. This simple sound affirmation will resonate with the energies you're seeking to attract, amplifying their vibration and drawing them closer to you. Finally, cultivate a mindset of gratitude. At the end of each day, take a moment to express thankfulness for the financial transactions you were able to make, the wise decisions you navigated, or even the simple fact of having a safe space to keep your personal belongings. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, aligning your energy with the frequency of abundance and attracting more of that vibration into your life. By intentionally incorporating these energetic amplifiers into your daily routine, you transform your everyday bag into a powerful manifestation tool, a vessel brimming with positive energy, organized intentions, and symbols of wealth that continually broadcast your readiness to receive prosperity. So next time you look at your bag, remember it's not just a carrier of your belongings, it's a carrier of your financial destiny. Embrace these practices and watch as your path to abundance becomes clearer and more aligned with your highest aspirations.